Hello YouTube, this is Mason Nash for my channel, The Gaming Alliance. Today we are doing another pack opening. Please excuse the noises in the back. I meant to put this up, make this earlier and everything, but I got busy and everything, so apologies for all that. Today we are going to be opening a pack of Furious Fist. I've always wondered why Tyranitar or whatever its name is on the Furious Fist pack, and it's called Furious Fist and everything, but his arms are it's representing a T-Rex and its arms are really small. How's it gonna use its hands? How's it gonna pound and everything? So let's get into this. So here's you guys a code card. And we got a Minun, a Torchic, a Clefairy, a Shroomish, Mountain Ring, Pancham, Focus Shaft, Rumaru Rel, or whatever its name is, I can't say it right correctly. Fossil Researcher Reverse Hollow, and Golurk. And that will be all for this video. Be sure to, if you like, to hit the like button and subscribe. If you want to see more anything Nintendo, please subscribe and everything. And by the way, and speaking of which, there you have, Nintendo has made shoes that are, I know that Journeys told me they were about to go out, but they have made shoes. Nintendo Vans have came together and made shoes. So here's the box. Here's the shoe. And on the bottom they say, "Game over." And if anybody is wanting to trade with me, please go to my Facebook page and message me on Facebook. And that will be all.